ng breakfast. Try ko din to guys. Kasi first time ko kumain ito. Yung isa nga guys, yung yung samyang. Natatawa talaga ako kasi first time ko kumain nun. Tapos kaya nga pala matabang. Kasi Canton na raw yun, sabi ng anak ko. Ignorante. Ignorante kumain ng samyang, alam kung paano lutuin. Akala ko noodles kasi ramen kasi. So, sabi ng anak ko, walang sabaw raw yun kaya matabang. Ito wala siyang sabaw. Cheese. Ang anghang. Hala. Ang anghang. Na-feel ko tuloy, na-feel ko kaagad yung yung anghang niya. Buti na lang may super talaga sa kaanghang. Tumulo na lang yung laway ko. Hala. Ito kasi sa sarong ko kumain. Wala. Ang anghang nito guys. Tumulo yung laway ko. Oh, mas okay pa yung samyang kaysa dito. Ay siguro hindi ko na feel kaagad yung anghang sa samyang kasi may yun. May sabaw. Parang hindi ko to kaya Nag-start na yung mata ko. Buti na lang may may kubos. Perting katawa sa akong anak guys, nga dalaga. Kasi sabi niya, kaya yung matabang ma kasi nilagyan mo ng tubig. Malay ko ba, binasa ko ramen. Yun? Sus, pala yun? Canton. Kasi nasa cup So, yun ako hindi ako tumingin kung may sabaw ba yun. Hindi, basta nandun sa cup. May sabaw yun. Sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt your Kasi ko nga, maanghang nga eh, kasi maanghang ko. Ano yun? Hindi na ako makapagsalita. Maanghang kahit ano, may kubos na. Ano pa kaya kapag ano, walang kubos? Maubos yung kailan ko. Ano bang ginagawa ko? Mahilig ng tulak ko panghang, guys. Mahilig talaga sumahang ako. Grabe. Grabe naman.
Every day, late at night,
Parang di ko
not
maubos
okay.
ko.
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Siguro maubos ko to guys.
Itanong mo sa akin, gusto mo aking mahal. Itanong mo sa akin, sagot ko'y di magtatagal. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Isa lang ang damdamin, ikaw ang aking mahal.
Grabe, mura akong buwang.
Wala ka sana, sa akin ay walang iba. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Ikaw ang aking
Bastos.
nais ko sana'y ilaman.
Ang lips ko guys, grabe.
Kahit saan naman,
Bye guys. Mamaya ko na to i-ano ko to sa sa lunch ko. Yung kaya ko kainin. Pero yung yung lips ko, di ko na kaya. Napakaanghang yung lips ko. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Nelbil Vlogs. Bye!